Imagine a world where the plants in your garden share their whispers with you. Sensors embedded in their roots and leaves gently communicate their well-being, telling stories of sunlight, rain, and soil. Nearby, a flock of birds moves as a living melody, their patterns of flight and song subtly influencing the background music you hear. Even the weather itself, its breezes, clouds, and temperature, becomes part of your symphonic landscape. You no longer simply listen to the radio. Instead, the music around you is alive, composed in real time by an AI attuned to the world's heartbeat. Your neighborhood, your local environment, becomes your unique song. Every note reminds us we are part of a shared, living system. We rediscover our role as stewards of a fragile, beautiful planet. In this future, AI listens to the earth, the plants, the birds, and to us, weaving their stories into a soundscape of direct connection. Reminding us to pause and recognize what has always been true. We belong to the same symphony. And now, for the first time, we can hear it.